Today I thought I could be just a tiny bit self-indulgent and share with you the 3 completely separate reasons I decided to call my company Your First 4 Houses. Hi, my name is Tony Dorr from Your First 4 Houses, and my channel is all about helping you achieve financial freedom through property. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of the free content that I give you each and every week. So why did I call my company Your First 4 Houses? I confess I get asked this quite a lot, and I thought it was about time I sort of cleared this up, because there's actually 3 completely separate and unrelated reasons for the name. The first is, I know new property investors learn so much during the acquisition of their first 4 houses. The second reason is, I know it's not easy getting to property number 4, and I honestly want to support those people that try. And the third and slightly controversial reason is, I believe most people only need 4 of the right type of properties to become financially free. Now, granted, these may not be your first 4. They certainly weren't my first 4. But I do honestly think that you get the right type of property, you only really need 4 to live a really great lifestyle. So let me explain exactly what I mean here. And I'm going to take a fairly pessimistic example, if that's okay. So the average salary in the UK at the moment is about £28,000 a year. Granted, in some parts of the country it's obviously a lot higher than that, but equally in other parts of the country it's lower than that. And so that works out at just under £2,400 per calendar month before you've paid any tax. Let's imagine you go and find yourself 4 relatively pessimistic deals, nothing to really write home about type deals, that are going to net you £600 per calendar month after you've paid out all your bills and costs. Well, that's £2,400 per calendar month. And believe you me, I'm being relatively pessimistic with a £600 per month cash flow. For example, this one here, it actually nets me, after all my costs, voids, mortgage payments, bills and everything, £34,000 a year. That's just one property. Now, I'm not saying you have to stop at 4 properties, of course I'm not, but I personally take the view that property investing isn't about buying more and more and more and more and more and more properties forever. I actually see property investing as being a kind of means to an end. I want to enjoy the income that my property portfolio gives me. I see that it's replacing the income that I had before with my kitchen company, so that now my wife and myself get to sort of choose what we do with our time. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about how I might be able to help you build your own portfolio and become financially free, I do offer a 10-minute call where you can jump on the phone with me and I can answer any questions that you may have about the services that I offer, and in particular the online property masterclass or my one-to-one property coaching program. If you'd like to ask me any questions about that or learn a little bit more about that, let's jump on the phone for 10 minutes, and as I say, I can answer any questions you may have. Just click on the link that's in the description below, and I'll really look forward to talking to you. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also whilst you're here, download this 50-point checklist, because it's going to really help you the next time you buy an investment property. My name's Tony Dorr from Your First 4 Houses, with online training that helps build your property portfolio.